Bicol Express. Spicy. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to our channel here in Kasle Media. In today's episode, we are cooking the spicy Bicol Express. But before we begin, kindly drop a like and subscribe so you will be aware on the upcoming episodes of our next videos. So here are our ingredients. We have coconut milk or gata, 1 big onion, cloves of garlic, ginger, and we also have 3 different kinds of chilies. We have the bell pepper, the red and green chilies. We also have whole black peppers and baguio beef. We have 1 kilo of pork meat sliced into menudo cut. For the spices, I just cut them into small pieces. Like for the garlic, I crushed it and minced it, and same goes to the onion. Let's begin with the garlic, then followed by the onion and ginger. We will saute it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then we will add the meat and then mix. After that, we can then add the half cup of the coconut milk and then season it with salt and black pepper. Ground black pepper is just optional. It's up to you if you want to use it or not. After seasoning it, we will let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. That depends on the level of your heat. At this point, the meat is already half cooked. So it is time to add the baguio beans and let it cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will now add the 1 cup of coconut milk, the bell pepper, and the green and red chilies, and then we will let it cook for another 15 minutes. Alright, there you go, presenting our spicy and delicious Bicol Express. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Feel free to try this at home. This is a very delicious dish. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next episodes. Bye!